Alright, I'm back. This is the modern driveline clutch kit modified to work like it's supposed to without flopping side to side, as I had issues and other people had issues too that I've seen on the YouTube. So here it is. As you can see, it goes in and out quite smoothly, just like it's supposed to, and no flopping side to side. I posted a video earlier of the modifications that I made to it, and the only issue is at the bottom bolt below. You need to swap it to a fine thread Allen head bolt because you can't get to the nut on there. So thanks, and that'll do it.